In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to knit star stitch pattern. I use this pattern for my star top, and I will give you the link in the description field below to my star top pattern. This is how this stitch look like in the wool, and this is how it look like in cotton. This stitch have wrong side, it is not reversible, and for this stitch you need bigger needles that the yarn calls for. For this yarn I usually use 3mm needles, but for this stitch I used 4.5mm needles. This pattern is multiply of 4 plus 1, and it is 4-row repeat. Let's start. First row is wrong side row, and it is purl row, and every wrong side row is purl row. Second row is knit 3 together through the back loop. Leave these 3 stitches on the needle, yarn over, and again knit these 3 stitches together and knit 1. Knit 3 together through the back loop, yarn over, knit 3 together, knit 1. And in the end you have 2 stitches and you knit them. Third row is purl row. You're going to purl all the way across. Fourth row is knit 2, 1, 2, knit 3 together through the back loop, yarn over, and again knit these 3 together, knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop, yarn over, knit 3 together, knit 1, and knit last 3 together, yarn over, knit 3 together, and that's it. Happy knitting, and thank you for watching.